Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel bumper subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, you have to simply access your browser, and right over here go ahead, type in bumper.com and search it up. Then right over here, this kind of interface come up here. Right over here, first of all, tap on this three horizontal line on top right, and simply tap on this login option and enter your credentials and simply sign in first. Once you have joined the bumper, upon doing that, you will be able to get the subscription option on first. Once you have taken, then you will be able to browse through the app. And now if you have simply been wondering how you can cancel your subscription, for that, upon signing in, you will be able to tap on your bumper on your account option. Once you have tapped on it, you will find this option of subscriptions. Go ahead, tap on it and browse through all the subscription that you have gotten so far. Go ahead, choose the one that you would like to cancel. Once you have chosen that one, tap on cancel subscription. Afterwards, you will be asked a reason for you to provide. Go ahead, give them the reason why you would like to cancel. Once you have confirmed it, you will get a reconfirmation notification. Simply go ahead, tap on cancel, and you will be able to cancel your subscription on bumper. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.